Yep, there you go.
I'm recording.
Yep.
Okay, so we need to say everything all over again.
Yeah.
We just did. Okay.
All right. Okay, so let's say once again, this time since it's really recording, Samantha is to be the leader of the group to facilitate everything and make sure we're all on track and everybody's doing their part. So there's that. I'm creating the email right now. What do you guys want the password as? Like, does it matter?
It doesn't matter. Something simple.
I'll do that. Okay.
And our name for the Facebook is going to be Let's Get Physical.
Yes, based off of the majority of the group's major, and that was a decision made by the whole group.
Yes.
So, in this, I mean, like, what information are we putting on these Facebook stuff? I'm just confused on, because we could totally connect math and physical education together in a classroom setting with those instant activities and stuff.
Yeah, that's the point she made. Like, if she said if we thought we could intertwine the majors that are in our group, because she tried her best to put us with our majors, but the class is so big and she can only do so much. So if we can find a way to do it, we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she also added a link that has a bunch of, like, I guess, educational tools that we could incorporate into our Facebook page as well. Like, not just the Pinterest and all that stuff. There's other stuff that she said. Because she said you want to do more than just what she listed, because that just gets you, like, the point value for that. If you add more, it gives you more points.
Right.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so let's do the social media. Who wants to do which one? So
Okay, yes.
who wants to do Twitter?
I can do the Twitter. I'm good with Twitter. So
Okay.
Kaylee will do the Twitter. I'm going to state my name because probably doesn't know who my voice is.
I can do the Facebook or the Snapchat or both.
Okay, so you can do the Facebook and the Snapchat. Okay.
I can probably do the blog too, because you could just make like a wiki spaces or anything like that to do a blog, so that's not hard.
Okay.
Because we did that when I was in high school, so it's really not difficult.
Okay, so Kaylee is doing Twitter and blog. George is doing the Facebook and Snap. And then I can do Pinterest and the Shutterfly.
Okay, that sounds good.
Easily if you want me to.
So, with the Snapchat, I mean, what do we put on the Snapchat?
We don't have to put anything up there.
Yeah.
Okay.
She basically just wants to make sure you know how to create an account.
Yeah, and link it to the Facebook page.
Yeah, that's basically
Okay, cool.
Okay, I'm about to type in this information on the email that I created.
Are you typing it into the chat?
Yeah, so you can like copy and paste it to like a note or something.
I might just put it on on the message board on Shutterfly.
Oh yeah, that too.
I'll probably forget it if I don't do that.
Okay, but basically it generated a username. So the username is physical_education@aol.com, and the password is UMOEDU123. Just simple,
Cool.
easy. Yeah. Okay, so that'll be the email we use to make, and that way when the accounts are made, it'll send the email so everybody can see that everybody did their part and made their account, because it'll have verification up there. So that works.
Okay. So do y'all want me to make the Weebly page and get started on that?
Are you comfortable with doing that?
Yeah, I mean, I can just start it with the email and the password, and then I mean, y'all have the information to log in. So
Right.
actually,
Do we
any of
want to
us.
use and that too, does everybody just want to use, since we're going to be using this email, do you just want to use that same password for
Yeah.
everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, because then that way everybody can log into every single aspect that we're creating.
Right.
Okay, so that works. Okay, so basically that's all we need to start, and we'll do, let me go look up in the contacts thing and start this group chat as well, in case like we need to reach each other faster.
And all of this is due next Sunday?
Yes.
Yes, after we start working on it, she said we need to start and set a date sometime next week to have certain things done by. And then we have to meet again to look at stuff and edit stuff and all that. And once all the pages are made, we have to do this collaborative essay. I took a screenshot of what it consisted of. It's not a lot, but that was the thing that had to be double spaced, this one page. You just basically put our names, the name of the rest of the pod members, the name of your SI leader, and project number, semester, year, all that stuff that you put at the top of a paper. And then she said basically you just
Okay, here we go.
all right, so I need to just start off where I left off, I guess.
Okay.
Do we have to restart everything? Or
No, I still have the recording from the last session, so I think we're good.
Yeah, she just said we have to go on like iMovie or whatever you have on your laptop and just merge them together. And then post it on YouTube, and it has a link for her to be able to go watch it to make sure we met.
Right.
Okay, but anyway, what I was reading was about after we do the Facebook page and have all the, extra little, I'm just going to say websites, created and done, we had the collaborative essay, which basically it says you identify the elements that you included and show in Zoom session where these are located in your Facebook page. Discuss why you chose to include, the sites that you did. Discuss how these might impact your classroom. Discuss how these address the ISTE standards for teachers and students. And she's got that posted on Moodle what that is. And then discuss what you learned from this project/experience. That's basically what the essay is about. And we all write that together, so we can probably just create like a Google Doc that we all can edit with our UMO emails.
Yeah.
So that'll work that way. But we have to do that after we're done creating the actual Facebook page. So every element has to be done before we can do that.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically we just have to so what date do you guys want to set to have I'm doing the Twitter and the blog, and then you guys are doing your other parts. So what date do we want to set to have those done by so we can meet the next time?
I could do.
I should be free any day.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I can.
Okay, because Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then of course Sundays, I'm free. But next week I should also be free on Friday because I don't have to work next Friday. So Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, any day next week is cool. That'll work. So I mean, whatever date we want to set to be done, and then we can do our video chat again to go over stuff that needs to be revised or refinished, things like that.
Okay, so do y'all want to have this or the pages set up by Tuesday, the 6th?
Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that shouldn't be. We'll just say Tuesday, have it done, and then do you want to meet Tuesday as well, or meet that Thursday, or how do you want to do that?
We could probably meet Tuesday.
Okay.
And then
We'll start Google Docs and have that done by Thursday.
Yeah, it's just the Facebook page needs to have more than just the social medias up there. I can't remember everything that had to be up there.
We'll have to go back and watch the video. Everybody can, and we'll just each pay attention to who's adding what besides their, like social media components. That way we don't like overlap and somebody adds the same thing twice. And then that way we can make sure that we get everything that she said in the video.
Yeah.
So that'll work that way. As long as we just keep monitoring like what we've added and kind of like check it off, like, okay, Samantha put that, so I'm going to go put this other aspect, like things like that.
Okay.
So as long as we have that done by Tuesday, I guess.
Some other things that I have written down for this project is the project manager, which is like the facilitator. And then I have like jobs for people to do like the visuals and research links, organizations to join, and the overall design and editor.
Okay, so how do we want to do that?
I'll be the design and editor. Oh, wait. The editor as in like spell check, because that's probably not good for me.
Probably not me either, but yes, that's what it means.
I'm good with grammar, so like if you want me to edit like our collaborative essay or like read over what we post on the Facebook page, I can do that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's good.
Okay, so Kaylee will be the editor. We'll just make that statement.
What was the other one?
There is like visuals, so like pictures and stuff to add to the pages, and then you have research links and organizations to join.
Okay, I could do. I mean, neither one of those seem like they would be too hard, because you're just adding pictures and then finding.
And the resource links is that like the citing the sources or the resources that she gave us to use on the Facebook page, like those educational tools to add in?
I'm assuming it might be that, or it could be like articles that we find useful.
Yeah.
I would just say we mix in both just to be safe.
Okay,
yeah.
So George, you want to do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
And the visuals too? Or we could all do the visuals, actually.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not too difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
And then what's that left? Was that it?
Organizations to join.
Okay, so is that like based off of things in our classroom?
Like it's like different organizations that
that's super easy then.
Like workshops.
Probably, I'm thinking more of like if ours. Okay, we're doing ours on physical education, or we might intertwine. We probably make a decision on that. But if we did physical education, like there's plenty of organizations. There's like Shape Up America, Get Up and Play 60 minutes a day. Like all.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's like super easy.
Okay.
There's plenty of, like physical activity related ones, especially for children.
So pretty much this Facebook page is going to be for physical education.
If you want to do that, do you want to intertwine your major into it? Because I mean, we totally can.
I mean, it's fine just doing physical education. It'll probably be easier.
Right, because there's so many. It's so simple.
Yeah. But I mean, yeah, we can just do this.
Okay.
And maybe on the next project we could do
integrated.
Yeah.
Yeah, because all of these individual pieces are going into the actual like full Weebly page. Like we're just starting bits and bits each week, and then towards the end it'll be finished.
Right.
So basically, we just need to be done with creating our pages on Tuesday and adding like what we want in. What all information is our Facebook page about? Just basically our classroom and what's integrated in it. Basically, that's it.
Yes, it's pretty much we need to make up a theme for our page, and then we link our social medias to it. And there's other things that we need to put into this, and she's got a link on the Moodle page. So I'm gonna have to.
What about the Facebook tools, like
Yeah,
I saw that. Yeah,
and we can add some of those, whichever ones we want, into our Facebook page.
Okay, so we'll just, like we said, monitor what everybody puts, and that way nobody puts something twice. Or if we see something, like just say, okay, I'll do something different. That kind of thing. Since we all already have individual jobs, that way it keeps it, organized.
Yeah. Right.
So So, well, now I'm kind of confused. The organizations and then the research. What was mine? Was the research references?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that would go with like the stuff she posted. You'll see on Moodle if you go look. She posted like a link that has like useful things on Facebook, and it's like educational tools you could use.
Okay.
Like links to actual like resources. So
Okay.
and then like of course like if you wanted to like if one of our organizations we picked was Get Up and Play like 60 minutes a day, you could add like the actual website for that to it.
Okay. Yeah.
Stuff like that. And then like the Shape Up America, you can always sign up for that. So the website for that'd be about it for right now. That's all I can think of off the top of my head.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So
Okay,
basically
so
we keep up with each other. Like we just made this group chat, so we should be good keeping up with like who does what, and if somebody gets stuck, it'll be easier to contact.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so are we still gonna meet on Sunday?
I know since we recorded this, Adriana said that this could count as our meeting since we went ahead and did it now. We just
Okay.
have to merge the first video that you have and this one together and make a whole video. So do it on like iMovie or whatever, and then
Okay.
post it onto YouTube. So that way you can have a URL. And she said like just make sure you save the URL to a Word document because that has to be posted onto our collaborative essay as one of the links.
Okay, so I'm saving this to YouTube, and I also need to post it on Shutterfly, right?
Yeah, that too. So everybody can have access to the links. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that, but it shouldn't be too hard. Okay.
Yeah. All you basically do is, I'm really good with technology. All you do is just take, what kind of computer do you have, or what are you using?
I'm using an HP.
Okay, so whatever movie maker application you have on your computer, you would use that and add the first video in, and then add this video right now when we're done.
Okay.
And I would just put a title page at the first part and put like first Zoom session and put the date.
Okay.
And so that would be that. And then just post it. You'll probably have to make a YouTube account. And
I've got a YouTube account. I can do that.
Great. So then just post the video onto your YouTube account, and I don't know how long it usually takes a video to load, probably like 30 minutes or so. But after that, once it's finalized and posted, just copy the link and put it into Shutterfly, and then we can all just get it from there.
Okay.
That sounded like, did that make sense?
Yes, it did.
Okay.
It did. Okay, so I'm doing that. And we're having all our social medias done by the 6th. So we're gonna meet that Thursday, or did you that Tuesday as well?
Yeah, we should probably decide that. What do you guys want to do, that Tuesday? Or, I mean, do you want to give us the whole day? I'll have mine done probably before then, but
Yeah, me too, probably.
I'll probably end up doing it like sometime tomorrow or Saturday or something while I'm at work. So,
Unless something crazy comes up, I should be good.
so do you guys want to meet at like 6 on Tuesday or so, or something like we do with SI like we normally do, or how you want to do it?
Yeah,
Can
we
we
can do that.
do 7 on Tuesday? That would work probably best for me.
I can
How
do
it
that.
works.
Okay.
So our second meeting will be on Tuesday, and we can just discuss. By then, we'll have most of the components done, and we can just discuss the collaborative essay part.
Okay.
Since it's like different, I'll send a picture of like what it consists of. There's just like little, what I read out, there's just little different parts to it, and we can probably just split it up.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, that sounds good. Wait, did we have to do an Instagram?
No,
I
that
don't,
wasn't up there.
but that could be a good one to do.
Yeah,
She
we
said
could probably do an Instagram.
other stuff, so
Oh, okay.
yeah. I mean,
I
it
don't
just
have an Instagram. I don't have a Pinterest, Instagram. So
she said it just depend. Like she just gave us stuff that she wanted, and then we can branch off to get more points. 'Cause in the video, she stated like how you don't want to just do the standard stuff that she states because you won't get a full amount of points.
okay.
So
Okay.
once you watch the video, it'll make more sense.
So
I
what
guess.
about a what was it? We, oh, never mind. I was thinking LinkedIn, but I guess that's not really a social media thing for.
Yeah.
Thing. All right, cool. That sounds good.
Okay, so we'll just have to go in and add on the calendar. I guess we would have to add that we met tonight, so that's already up there, and then add our Tuesday meeting for
Okay.
next week.
I can do that if you want me to.
Okay, that sounds good. So that way she can see that we met this week for week 3 and we're meeting next week for week 4.
Okay.
Sweet.
So, do you want to meet Tuesday and Thursday?
We can decide that on Tuesday if we feel it's necessary, like if we're still stuck on certain parts.
Okay.
Just because it's not due until Sunday at 11:59. But of
Right.
course, we want to be working on the weekend, so I mean, we could have until Thursday because we'll have to
Yeah.
do that collaborative essay after we're done with all the
Right.
parts.
And we'll have to do an SI meeting on Thursday, anyways, right?
Yeah, we will for
Yeah.
normal SI. So I mean, we might as well
Okay.
just like finish everything and make sure nobody's like doing it over the weekend. So yeah.
Okay,
Cool.
so I'm just going to go over this again. I've got this. Okay. So, Kaylee, you're doing the Twitter and the blog, and you're editing the Facebook pretty much, and the essay.
Yeah, checking for errors. Yep.
Okay, and George, you're doing the Facebook and Snapchat, and you're also going to put in the research links on our Facebook page.
Yes.
Okay, and then I'm doing the Pinterest, Shutterfly, and Weebly, and posting them onto the Facebook. Okay, and we're going to meet again on the 6th and have all of our pages done.
Mhm.
And that's pretty much it. And then we'll decide if we meet
On
Thursday.
Basically, when we do meet Tuesday, we'll discuss if everything's finished on the page or something needs to be added. And we'll also probably designate who does what part of the collaborative essay and create a Google Doc that everybody can edit. And that'll be
Okay.
done by Thursday when we meet again, probably, because that don't take long. It's just a page.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, okay, I think that's everything. Unless y'all have anything else to add. I can't think of anything.
No, I think
that's
pretty
good.
much set up.
Okay.
We don't have a voice thread thing this week, right?
No, it's just you watch the lecture and you do the attendance form. But
Okay.
for the attendance form, did we have to post a doc? Because I posted mine in a comment because she didn't say you had to, so I didn't.
I looked at yours too, and I saw another girl posting on a document.
Uh-huh.
So I did it on a document. I don't know.
I just didn't comment. But that's all you have to do. We just had to do that and then discuss Unit 1, and which is what we're doing now. That was our assignments for this
Cool.
week. Yeah. So, yeah.
Sweet. All right. Yeah. Well, I'll make sure to get this done, and
Me too.
I got y'all in a group chat, so if we need to, we can just contact each other in there, and then make up or put stuff on whatever we talk about. I guess we have to put it on Shutterfly too.
Yeah, we'll have to still post some stuff on Shutterfly to keep the page going as she wants. But that group chat will help a lot with getting in touch faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, we just have to merge these 2 videos together, and we've already got the session 1 part over.
Yes.
Sweet.
All right, then. I think we're good.
Okay. Well, I'll talk to you guys on Tuesday.
Yes.
All right. I'll see y'all.
Bye.
Peace.